Hi folks, I'm Mary Howard RN, PowerlineHealth.com, and today I wanted to talk to you about On Guard. Do you ever wake up in the morning and have a scratchy throat? Have you ever been around crowds that are of people that are obviously sick? Well, with On Guard, we can send the flu packing. And so I also want to share a personal testimonial of mine. I've used On Guard on my throat and internally when I wake up in the morning with a sore throat, and instead of being sick for a week or two with the flu, I had some symptoms for 2 days and it was gone. So who knows, maybe I didn't have the flu, maybe I did, you never know. But with On Guard, what you're doing is it's packed with powerful ingredients like wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So clove and cinnamon are both antimicrobial, antibacterial properties. So this is an amazing product to send the flu pack in, and it still smells amazing. So what you're doing is you're giving your body those tools to help take care of itself. So some of the ways I love to use On Guard, the first of course is to just put a few drops in the diffuser. And I'll start that for you. And I just love the diffuser. It's a great way to affect everybody in the room, you know. It's just so easy. And another way I like to use it is I will put some in fractionated coconut oil. And so fractionated coconut oil is what we call a carrier oil. And you can put about 15 drops in here. And then that's a great roller ball to stick in your purse. And then you can use it on your hands. You could use it on your pulse points. You could use it for kids. It's great to use on their feet. It's just a good way to feel protected. You could even use it on some diffuser jewelry. And then another way that we like to use the On Guard is to put some drops in a spray bottle. And you just simply, I put some water in that, and you would just simply add, about 8 drops. And then you can use this to spray surfaces. You could spray the back of your throat. You could use this in many ways. And just remember, oil and water don't mix. So each time you use it, you need to shake it, and then that just makes a nice spray. See the mist on that? Okay, I'm Mary with Powerline Health. We're so glad you stopped by to see us today. If this has been helpful to you, like and share it. If you have a special way you like to use On Guard, let us know in the comments below. I'm Mary with Powerline Health, where healthy living is the power to move mountains.